Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover embroidery magic, how to use AI for easy digitizing. Embroidery digitization has come a long way, and with the integration of artificial intelligence AI, it's easier than ever to turn designs into machine-readable embroidery files. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, AI tools can save time, simplify the process, and improve the quality of your embroidery projects. Here's how to use AI for easy digitizing and unlock the magic of modern embroidery. Why use AI for embroidery digitizing? 1. Time-saving automates the complex steps of design conversion. 2. Precision ensures accurate stitch placement and design scaling. 3. User-friendly simplifies the digitizing process, making it accessible for beginners. 4. Creative freedom frees up time for you to focus on design and creativity. Getting started with AI digitizing tools. Number 1. Choose the right AI-powered software. Several AI embroidery digitizing tools are available, each with unique features. Popular options include 1. Wilcom offers AI-driven tools for auto-digitizing and editing. 2. Embrilliance Stitch Artist, user-friendly with AI-assisted features for beginners. 3. P Design by Brother integrates AI to enhance embroidery accuracy. Number 2. Prepare your design. Before digitizing, make sure your design is ready for conversion. 1.high-resolution images. Use clear, high-quality images for the best results. 2. Simplify complex designs. Reduce intricate details to make them stitch-friendly. 3. Choose suitable colors. Ensure the design's color palette works well with embroidery threads. Number 3. Upload the design to the software. Most AI tools allow you to upload images directly. Once uploaded, the software will analyze the design and suggest 1. Stitch type satin, fill, or running stitches. 2. Stitch order, the sequence in which the design will be embroidered. 3. Thread colors based on your design's color scheme. Number 4. Customize and refine. AI tools provide a great starting point, but you may need to tweak the design. 1. Adjust stitch density and direction for optimal coverage. 2. Edit small details manually to ensure precision. 3. Test the design with a preview feature to identify potential issues. Number 5. Save and export the file. Once satisfied, save your design in a format compatible with your embroidery machine, for example PS, DST, JEF. Ensure the file is properly scaled and aligned. Tips for success with AI digitizing. 1. Start simple. Practice with basic designs to get comfortable with the software. 2. Test runs. Always stitch a test design on scrap fabric before committing to the final project. 3. Experiment. Try different settings and techniques to explore the full potential of the software. 4. Stay updated. Keep your software updated to access the latest AI features and improvements. Benefits of using AI in embroidery. 1. Efficiency. AI handles repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort. 2. Consistency. Delivers professional-grade results every time. 3. Scalability. Makes it easy to digitize multiple designs quickly. 4. Accessibility. Brings digitizing to hobbyists and small businesses alike. Conclusion: AI-powered embroidery digitizing is revolutionizing the craft, making it faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. By leveraging the power of AI, you can transform your creative ideas into stunning embroidery designs with minimal effort. Embrace this technology and watch the magic unfold in your projects.